Hi, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I want to show an easy way to put back together smashers. My kid got into it recently, and we've tried to put them back together the way some YouTube video mentioned, by holding the egg, part of the egg, and trying to do it. But we figured out with this little thing that came with one of the toys that we bought for them, which is also part of the Smasher line. Very easy to put back together. Now, the bottom piece. Some of them have little serial number and some don't. You put the bottom piece in the bottom like this. Next, you take the round part of the side piece. You put it like this. Oops. You put the other side, again, the round part, and it fits. Doesn't click, but it fits all together. Now, I put my smasher right side up, and I put it like this. Now, some people say to put it there, the toy back in there, or, now. But I find it sometimes interfere with putting back the smashers. So, and especially if you got to put treat, they'll be all over the place. So I just put it there, and now I just slowly take the smasher and then reinsert it. It falls right in. Now after this, you put the top piece, which is actually a little bit more pointy, and I hold on to the two side piece, and you can hold on, comes out, and I snap it like this, and then you have to go over the edge, and then once you go over the edge, look, snap it in place. So this is super easy. Now the kids can resmash smashers, or if you want to give them treats, they can have a little surprise treat and smash them and have fun. You can put them together as many times as possible as you want. They always do. Like you said, we have a huge boxes of these things, and it's also fun for the kids. So thank you very much, and you guys have a great day, and goodbye.